Today we're diving into a quirky little part of coding history, the semicolon. When I got another missing semicolon error, I have joked that maybe the compiler was trying to punish us. But then I remembered that semicolons were intentionally invited into our code. This is ALGOL, the grandpa of today's most popular languages like C++, Java and even PHP. Notice that almost every line ends with a semicolon? That's where our history begins. ALGOL's language designers wanted clear statement separation. They needed a way for both the compiler and human readers to easily distinguish one statement from the next. Using a semicolon made more sense than using a comma, which was used elsewhere in ALGOL, or a period like in a COBOL. In COBOL, the period served as a sentence separator. Just look at how it works with floating point numbers. See, 123.45 looks clearer when the period is used for numbers, while the semicolon cleanly separates statements. You might ask, why not just use a new line as separator? The answer lies in language design. The creators decided that formatting symbols like new lines and tabs aren't part of the source code syntax. This gives programmers the flexibility to write multiple statements on one line or separate them out for clarity. Modern languages like C and Java inherited the semicolon from these early designs. Meanwhile, languages like JavaScript and Go make semicolons optional, automatically inserting them during code processing to simplify the coding experience and reduce visual clutter. But not all languages follow that rule. Languages like Python and Ruby takes a different approach. They rely on line breaks to separate statements, favoring simplicity and readability. It's like choosing between sneakers or sandals. Each style has its own charm, and it really comes down to what feels right for the task on hand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little dive into coding history, be sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for the more fun and friendly tech stories. Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments below and stay in tech.